Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play moral of the story on the violin. First, locate accurate sheet music or a trusted online tutorial for the piece. Next, confirm your violin is perfectly tuned to the standard GDAE. Proper tuning is crucial for good sound. Finally, establish a comfortable and correct posture for holding both your violin and bow. This foundational setup will greatly enhance your playing experience and sound quality. Now, let's delve into the melody. Begin by identifying the key and time signatures, which are essential for understanding the musical structure. Then, practice the main melody line at a very slow tempo, paying close attention to achieving precise intonation for each note. Utilize a finger chart as a helpful guide to accurately locate all the necessary notes across your violin's 4 strings. This careful approach builds accuracy. Next, focus on your bowing techniques to bring the music to life. Experiment with different bowing patterns to achieve a smooth and connected sound throughout the piece. Pay close attention to the dynamics, allowing you to play certain sections softly and others with more volume, adding emotional depth. Practice your string crossings diligently to ensure a consistent and beautiful tone as you move between the 4 strings. Finally, let's talk about effective practice. Divide the song into small, manageable sections, perhaps 2 to 4 measures at a time, for focused work. Incorporate a metronome into your routine to develop a steady rhythm and maintain a consistent tempo throughout the piece. A powerful tip is to record yourself playing. Listening back will help you identify areas that need further refinement and improvement. Consistent practice yields great results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.